12th question. A flood relief camp has food stock by which 80 people can be benefited for 60 days. After 10 days, 20 more people have joined the camp. Calculate the number of days of food shortage due to the addition of 20 more people. So in the food camp, initially 80 people were there and that food was enough for them for 60 days. So after 10 days, what happened? 20 more people have added. So which means 80 plus 20, now in total 100 people are there. So we need to calculate the number of days of food shortage because of this 20 more extra people. So let us assume x to be the number of days and we will write the tabular column. So let x be the required number of days, and for the tabular column first we will write number of people and number of days. So initially there were 60 people, but after 10 days what happened? 20 more people have added up. So now 80 people are there. After 10 days, which means 60 minus 10, you will get 50 here. So after what happens? 20 more people have added up extra. So 80 plus 20 you will get 100. So for this you need to find the number of days. And we know that as the number of people increases, food lost for less number of days. So for inverse proportion, we have x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Here x1 y1 value are 80 and 50. Here 100 into x. You need the value of x, so send 100 to the other side. So you'll get 80 into 50 divided by 100. You can cancel 50 and 100, you will get 2. And when you divide 80 by 2, you will get 40. So therefore x value is 40. The remaining food is supposed to be used for 50 days, but you got the answer x value to be 40, which means the food is enough only for the 40 days. Therefore number of days of shortage is equal to 50 minus 40, which means 10 days. So therefore 10 days of food shortage due to the addition of 20 more people. 13th question. 6 men can complete a work in 12 days. 2 days later, 6 more men joined them. How many days will they take to complete the remaining work? Given that 6 men can complete the work in 12 days. So 2 days later, so now the number of days is not 12, now it's 10 days. 6 more men joined them, which means now 6 plus 6, 12 men are there. How many days will they take to complete the remaining work? So let us assume the required number of days to be x. So for the tabular column, we'll write number of men and then number of days. So the number of men is 6, and for the number of days, they are saying it's 2 days later. So you need to subtract 12 minus 2. So you'll get 10 here. Then 6 more men have been joined them. So 6 plus 6, you'll get 12 here. And here you need to find the number of days. So here, as the number of men increases, the number of days decreases. So therefore they are in inverse proportion. So inverse proportion, we have x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. The values are 6 into 10 is equal to 12 into x. You need the value of x, so x is equal to 6 into 10 divided by 12. So you can cancel 6 and 12, you will get 2, and you can divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. Therefore x value is 5. Therefore remaining work will be completed in 5 days.